So I got a package from DecoGear, some bookshelf speakers that were reasonably priced at $59.99. And what I'm going to do is pair it up with this. I'm going to pair it up with this Lepy little amplifier. This way, I can see budget-wise that we can get some good audio quality for less than $100. So altogether, this is $79, $80 pretty much before tax. Everybody's tax is different, so I'm not going to include tax. So there's that. But I'm kind of excited to get this going here. Package great. Already look wonderful. Already kind of cut into the thing. So be careful when you're opening this thing up. All right, pull this out. Wonderfully packaged. All right. Pull one of these out. Set this to the side. If I can pull the other one out, then get this box out of the way. All right. Bunch of tape down there. All right. Nothing else in the box. Let's get that out of the way. All right. Bring this out. There we go. All right. So, looking at these bookshelf speakers. They look great. Just coming out of the package already, so let's look at them in some depth here. Sorry guys. Alright, there's one. Already looks sharp. I like it. Already looking sharp. All right. Sorry about my wobbly table. Do that, and then we'll flip it around, like so. All right. Looking great. So, let's take a look at these together. These seem to be a real nice color, nice light white wood, faux wood, but wood regardless. Let's pop off this front cover. Held in by these pop-in, ball pop-ins. Oh, looks good. They look really good. Oh, there's a scuff mark here. Come on. Not going to hurt the quality of the speaker, but would have liked to see no scuff mark. But FedEx kind of doesn't care. So, but this little screen's nice. They feel real well built, nice quality. I am going to connect these. And like I said, I bought this on Amazon for, I think it was like $8. And then I got this Lepy amplifier, which is two channel amplifier, and it's 20 watts for, I think it was $20, so I'm pretty sure it was. And all these come with just the power, this and this. I mean, literally, that's all you need. So, my plan is, I'm gonna pick this guy up now. So my plan is to take these and kind of place them up either on the wall or on my desk in the office, not this office out here. And then I'll record it so you guys are able to hear what they sound like. I mean, that's kind of hard to do, you know, especially when it's, you know, you're listening to this through like your phone or TV or something. But overall, I'm very happy with the quality. Very happy with the quality. They look great. They feel great. They're not too heavy. You know, so you'll be able to put these on your wall or on a shelf, is, you know, a floating shelf, and they'll work fine. The process was smooth. It was easy. I literally just went onto their website, searched through their audio selection, saw the ones that I liked, clicked on them, put them in my cart, and then even used PayPal. I used PayPal to finish the transaction. Real simple, real easy. There's some websites where you got to jump through hoops just to buy something. This wasn't like that at all. DecoGear, big thumbs up with this. We'll look forward to, I'll either add it to this one at the end of this video or in the next video, and we'll see how it sounds with just, you know, a smaller budget amplifier, and then hooking it up to my PC. So really hope to see you guys there. Talk to you guys later. Okay, welcome back, guys. I'm back. I set this up. I have the two speakers connected to my amplifier, and I have that amplifier connected to my iPhone. And what we'll do is I'll play a snippet of some copyright-free, royalty-free music. This song is called Where We Started, from Lost Sky. So I'm pretty sure you've probably heard this song throughout YouTube. But here we go. Again, these are the DecoGear Deco Home DHPAS 100. They are 140 watt for the pair, so 70 watts a piece. This was, from what we heard here, was running off a 20 watt amp. So I do have plans to get another amp. But I kind of wanted to see, you know, keep some things within a budget, since we all work with a budget. These bookshelf speakers are currently listed on www.decogear.com for $49.95 with free shipping. If you're on the fence or looking for a pair of bookshelf speakers, these sound amazing. You'll be happy with them. I'm happy with them. The very best part about this is they're absolutely affordable. You know, $49.95 plus a $20 amp from Amazon. You know, you're $70-80, and you know, you have yourself a set of decent bookshelf speakers. I am not an audiophile, but I do recognize great value when I hear it, and I know that the high sound very good. The mids are great, and the subwoofer puts out decent bass with this 20-watt amplifier. Though I do plan on putting or getting a 100-watt amp in the future. That way I can compare those as well. So we'll revisit this part of the video in a later video with a 100-watt amp and compare them. That way you guys can get a better idea of if these would be for you. And I'm very confident to say that these would be very good for what you're looking for. I really wish you guys could hear the way these speakers fill a room with the sound. They sound amazingly, crisp and clean and clear. The quality feels great. The color I went with were white. They do have a set of black ones on their website, which would help go with any decor that you guys have. Normally you hear about companies that pop up on social media and they're normally not very, good. But I can tell you that with this first transaction with DecoGear, I'm absolutely happy with how easy the transaction was and the overall experience. It was a good one, and I do plan on purchasing from DecoGear again. I have my eyes on a few items. They do have like a little gaming section where they have monitors and keyboards and stuff like that. And what I will do is, once I can afford them, since I do pay for these myself, of course we'll do an unboxing together, and then we'll go through each step of how they perform and how they feel, because you can feel quality. But hey, if you guys want to check what they have out, head over to DecoGear.com and let me know if there's anything that you want to see reviewed. I will try my best to purchase it and test it. I will also bring you guys along with that. And if this information has had any help with you at all, please feel free to throw me a like. I do appreciate you all, but my back hurts and I gotta go.